everyone, welcome to Dancing with Dina. Today I'm going to teach you the dance called We Are Tonight. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, you're going to start off with your weight on your left and you're going to walk forward for 4. So you're going to go right, left, right, kick left and clap, clap. Step back with your left, point back with your right, step out right, pivot a half, take the weight on your left. All right, let's go ahead and do that first 8 by the count. Here we go. Weight is on your left. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 2. You would normally be facing 6 o'clock, but I'm going to go ahead and turn around so you can see it from the back. So it looks like this. Remember, your weight was on your left. You're going to step forward right. You're going to prep that foot because you're going to turn to your right, step back left a half. Then you're going to turn one more time to the right and shuffle forward with your right. Shuffle forward. All right, let's go ahead and add on. You're going to step forward left. You're going to pivot a half right. Take the weight on your right, shuffle forward left. Shuffle forward left. Let's do that section by the count. Remember, your weight was on your left. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, and 8.
Tonight, it's a Friday night. It's a small
Weight on your left. Rock, recover, back, heel, clap. So you're kicked up left. Your weight is on your right. You're going to bring that right toe up and left foot down. And then heel up and bring that left foot down as you kick out. All right, let's put that full 8 count together. Here we go. Your weight is on your left. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. You're going to hip bump left, roll around, sailor step, cross, unwind. Take your weight on your left. Let's do that by the count. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. All right, whole dance by the counts. Weight is on your left. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, and 3, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. All right, now it's time to talk about that tag. Don't worry, it's not that hard, and I'm going to show you how to do it. So it's the first time you make it back to 12 o'clock, wall 5. You're going to do the first 4 counts of the dance. 1, 2, 3, 4. And your tag is you're going to walk back for 4. For 5, 6, 7, 8. Restart the dance. So let me go ahead and show you what it looks like when you hit that 12 o'clock wall. So here we go. Your weight is on your left. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Restart the dance. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1. Great job, everyone. That's just another requested tutorial, so I hope you enjoy it. I'll go ahead and link the step sheet below. If you haven't done so, please click that subscribe button. Give me a thumbs up. Go ahead and leave me any comments below, and I'll see you next dance. Thanks for watching.